Focus, illumination of grace. Focus breathing. The nostrils are a sun passageway and warming, and the mouth is a moon passageway and cooling. We'll be honoring both and receiving the effects of sun and moon. Find yourself in a comfortable, easy position, relaxing your body, and begin by focusing on your nostrils and breathing in and out through the nostrils, using this sun passageway for both your inhale and your exhale. Breathe at your own timing and notice the effects of breathing in and out the nostrils. Now begin inhaling through the nostrils and exhaling through the mouth. Notice your inhale through the nostrils and exhale through the mouth. Find your natural rhythm and curiously explore, noticing the effects. Inhale, sun passageway. Exhale, moon passageway. Now begin inhaling through the mouth and exhaling through the mouth. The moon passageway for both the inhale and exhale. Breathe at your own timing and explore and sense the effects of inhaling and exhaling through the mouth moon passageway. And finally, begin breathing in through the mouth and out through the nostrils. In through the moon passageway of the mouth and out through the sun passageway of the nostrils. And explore and sense in through the mouth, out through the nostrils. And then letting go of the practices and just notice the effects of the focus and actions, honoring, balancing both the sun and moon. Focus meditation. Sunlight gazing or candle gazing. If you're outdoors or even near a window indoors with bright light, sit quietly in a meditative pose and gaze into the sunshine, not directly into the sun, yet into a bright space. Letting your eyes become accustomed to the brightness as you keep your eyes naturally open with a relaxed brow. If you're indoors and you choose, light a candle and sit in a meditative pose gazing into the flame. Allow your eyes and all of you to immerse onto the flame or into the sunlight. You may wish to allow your eyes to blink naturally You can gaze for periods without blinking, stretching the time before you blink. This may cause tearing and strengthens the capability to receive light. You may want to gaze with your eyes, but imagine that you're gazing with your third eye. You can also imagine you're gazing with your heart. You can also imagine you're gazing with your entire nervous system, all the nerve endings, your entire skin, the energy field around you, just gazing, immersing into light. And now close your eyes and see the light within, the sunlight or maybe the candle flame. See the light within. And continue to focus on this inner light. You may imagine this light going to every cell in your body, extending to your energy bodies, and perhaps extending to everyone you know, and to all sentient life, to all life everywhere. And feeling the effects of focusing, the illumination of grace.